My name's Sam Bonaparte, and I'm from Kingman, Arizona. I actually didn't start off in mining engineering. I had a mining-based internship, and I really enjoyed it and saw the passion in the department, so I decided to switch over to mining engineering. I've had a lot of support from the local SME chapter, and the student body in general is really closely connected. And as far as scholarships, I was able to receive a scholarship through Rio Tinto this semester for $6,000, which was really helpful towards my mining education. People think mining is pickaxes underground, but mining has turned into something so much more than that. It's become technology, and there's a lot of innovation going into the field right now. In the future, I hope to work in the aggregate sector of mining. I started off as a civil engineer, so I think it's really nice how the two of them mingle when it comes to construction aggregates or asphalt and concrete production. I think mining engineering would be a good choice because mining engineering isn't just one facet. There's so many different areas within mining engineering to go into, so you're really able to find what drives you within mining. In my free time, I'm part of our intercollegiate mining games team. We just went to a competition in Camborne, England, so I have a really fun time on the team. Everyone on the team is really close, so we do a lot of activities outside of that, and it's just really nice to have a community within mining. My name is Sam Bonaparte. I go to the University of Arizona and I'm studying mining engineering, and I am mining.